Hello, nice to meet you.
Why are you smiling, ah?
Because of him. Because of this man.
He's a clown for you?
No, he's a stress reliever for me. As
Oh.
a as an OFW, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Atay
That's
man
good.
nagila.
Continue.
Do you
Ay
have
sasig
do
pagkatawa dira.
where do you live in right now?
Actually, I'm working in Singapore right now.
You're in Singapore na?
Uy, pwede magbisaya na lang.
Ay,
How
linte,
how
mag-English gani. Ano mo Bisaya mo nun?
Ay,
how
Chinese mo ni ron.
Diego.
how long you been there?
Okay. And just new, like 1 year plus.
That's not new.
Plus.
That's not new. It's 1 year, you know. It's okay.
No, they say like you can say that you are totally long here if you finish your contract. You know.
So it is between matter of contract. You stay for how long,
Mm-mm.
na? Yeah? Okay. How many have kids do you have?
I have two.
Two.
You're a
How
single
long?
man, right?
Single mom, yeah.
I see you just now with the nurse one, right?
Who? There's one.
The one in UAA.
UAE.
Yeah,
The one who live in UAE. Okay.
yeah. I see you
So
there.
you are looking for boyfriend, partner, talking stage.
Actually getting to know each other until if we both are compatible, then why not become a partner?
Mm-hmm. How tall are you?
Oh, I'm too short. I'm not totally tall. I like just 144 centimeter.
Pinapahirapan ako nito.
Why?
Pala ko, bakit ka dyan? Sige.
So 144 is 4'11" flat, right?
No, for yeah, I think so. Maybe I didn't measure my height,
So
but
you,
I know
you, you
how tall am I? Like, but in in inches, I don't know.
oh, okay, it's 4'11". See in the comment section it's 4'11".
Yeah. Maybe I don't know. I never checked long time.
So you're looking for talking stage, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
talking stage and getting to know each other. I
Okay.
cannot say that as a partner because we cannot give our love directly to that man or to that person if you're just a stranger for me, you know.
So
That's like
okay.
talking first until I get to know you.
Why you are just always like this?
You know, it's better to talk with actions. That's
Oh,
how
okay.
we emphasize. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So if you're looking for talking stage, just message me. I followed you. So
Mm,
it is. Okay.
yeah. Thank you.
Am I okay to you?
I don't know. Are you okay to me?
I'm asking you.
I'm
Since you are looking, I'm asking you. Am I
because
okay?
just now I see you. You're talking to somebody and then you do something because what I mean is getting to know each other. I want to this man can focus with me, not with different woman, you know.
Okay. So
Seriously?
so you're getting jealous right now, right?
No, because I actually as a single mom I have experience, but I've never been cheated. But this man, he is good at from the very first time until he changed. Like I want to know him first deeply until we became good.
Mo maganyan-ganyan ha. Hindi ako yon.
You to.
Mga man na ano naman?
Di
Okay.
na mitati kag Tagalogon, Bisaya.
English diyan. So, Tagalog. Go. English.
I have told you just now, it's better to speak in our native language, you know.
Our.
We have our native language, our mother tongue. We are both Bisaya, right?
Ano?
Why don't
Ano,
we speak our
Bisaya?
language?
I'm not Bisaya. I don't understand. Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Sige. Kaya mo yan. Oh. Congrats.
Hello.
I'm not trying to overwhelm you. I'm just giving you the love I never received. If I come on strong, it's only because
Ano yan?
I want you to know how special you are. Your happiness means everything to me.
TikTok na lente niya. Oh.
You okay? It's okay?
Yeah, right. Yeah, okay. Okay kayo.
Okay.
Okay. Lami kayo.
Lami kayo, Jude.
Continue.
So,
Speaking by the way,
why?
nawala man mo kaniha, good.
Sige. Huh?
You hear me na? Di man eh.
English, ma'am, kasi hindi nakakaintindi si ano ng ano. Sige, go.
Ha?
Do you want to ask more questions?
How many exes do you have?
How many exes, huh?
Because you look like you have a lot.
Judgmental those. So far I have how to say 5 exes.
I would. How many?
5, just 5.
Just 5. Oh.
Oh.
So.
Oh.
5 is more than. It's too much.
Huh? Para decision yun.
Yeah, I just want to know because, you know, since I became single, I never been with another man. That's why
Okay.
I am looking for a talking stage until getting to know and then serious one. You know what I mean?
I understand. I understand your point. So,
Pwede mag-Bisaya na lang, Minong.
Hindi nga siya nakakaintindi ng Bisaya.
Tagalog.
Hindi rin.
Hindi ka dyan. Nakita ko yan kanina.
Hindi, nagbago na. Ngayon lang.
Okay. Okay.
Sige.
continue. Ask me. So you know me better.
Do you have something to ask?
I don't have something to ask for you. I think you are the only one who.
Yeah, because I came here looking for, like, you know, looking for some partner or talking stage. I am serious. I'm not joking. Like, I'm not playing. Because since 2.0 is like for something like speed dating or like partner platform, right? So 2.0. That's why I came here. So hoping to find a serious one.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Am I okay to you? No? No?
Maybe no. Sorry.
Wala ka, boss. Wala ka. Wala ka. Ngayon ka lang na-decline. Iba to, boss!
Gagi.
Iba to! Iba!
Actually, I'm not choosy. I am just, as a woman, we need to be careful to ourselves, you know. I am not choosy. If you just pick with the, from the beauty of the outside, you cannot find the real one. I'm not choosy. I'm just reading the comment,
Okay.
on your comment. Some people
Sorry.
here think I am choosy, I am picky. No. Since we have experience,
Pero, masasabi
we
ko lang,
have
ma'am.
relationship.
Ma'am, masasabi ko lang, may future ka.
Why?
Future ka sa APAM. Tama. Yan ang kailangan ng APAM. May intindihan ka ba? Oo. Diba? At least, hindi ka kagaya ni, ni Tome-Tome. Diba? Kasi ano ka medyo flowing ka eh. Diba? Di mahirapan yung APAM sa'yo.
Tumi-tumi. Sino yung tumi-tumi?
Yung Tome. Yung may boyfriend APAM. You love me, Tome?
Ah, yung may hotdog na. Yeah.
Oh, may hotdog man, Tome.
Yeah. Yun.
Oo. Di ba? Oh, at least, kasi doon kasi naiba eh. Imbis na yung Pinay yung manunusblade sa APAM, yung APAM manunusblade sa Pinay. Oo. Sa'yo iba. At least sa'yo, kung magkaroon ka ng APAM, magkakaintindihan kayo. Di ba? Oo. Pero sorry for now, Tito L, no?
Yeah.
Decline. Sige. Thank you, salamat.
Thank you. Salamat. Ingat.